Welcome to CamIO. Use your index finger to explore the map and ask the system questions by pressing the space bar. After pressing the space bar, ask your questions aloud and press the space bar again when you've finished your question. You can stop the response at any time by pressing the escape key. Press the return key to pause the response and press it again to resume. Map description. Conant Gardens and the Northeast Central District in Detroit are vibrant, historic neighborhoods. Their road network blends grid-like streets with unique routes like Conant Street, which runs diagonally. This layout connects diverse residential, commercial, and industrial spaces, reflecting the area's evolving character. Ongoing revitalization efforts bring new energy while preserving the neighborhood's historic charm, embodying Detroit's resilience. East Gricksdale Avenue, intersection between East Gricksdale Avenue and Klinger Street. East Gricksdale Avenue, intersection between East Gricksdale Avenue and Gallagher Street. Gallagher Street. Intersection between East Hilldale Street and Gallagher Street.
How can I get to House of Sushi?
Waiting for a response. Waiting for a response. Start by heading west on East Hilldale Street toward Cherest Street. Continue for about 0.2 kilometers. Your current destination is the intersection with Cherest Street. East Hilldale T intersection between East Hilldale Street and Cherest Street.
What now?
Now that you are at the T intersection between East Hilldale Street and Cherest Street, turn right onto Joseph Campbell Avenue. Your destination, House of Sushi, will be on the right after about 0.1 kilometers. T intersection between East Hilldale Street and Cherest Street. Intersection between Conant Street and East Hilldale Street. Intersection between Conant Street and East Hilldale. T intersection between East Hilldale Street and Mitchell Avenue. Intersection between Conant Street and East Hilldale Street. T intersection between East Hilldale Street and Cherest Street. T intersection between East Hilldale Street and Cherest Street.
I don't understand. Can you clarify?
Waiting for a response. From your current position at the T intersection between East Hilldale Street and Cherest Street, head northwest toward Conant for about 90 meters. Your next destination is the intersection with Conant. Intersection between Conant Street and East Hilldale Street.
What's the next step?
Now that you are at the intersection of Conant Street and East Hilldale Street, turn right onto Conant Street. Continue for about 66 meters. Your next destination is the intersection with East Robinwood Street. Conant Street. Intersection between Conant Street and East Robinwood Street.
What now?
Now that you are at the intersection of Conant Street and East Robinwood Street, turn left onto East Robinwood Street. Continue for about 23 meters. Your next destination is a slight right to stay on East Robinwood Street. House of Sushi. Intersection between Joseph Campbell Avenue and East Robinwood Street. House of Sushi.
Where is Hotel Plaza?
Waiting for a response. Hotel Plaza is located on Mitchell Avenue, operated by RIU Hotels and Resorts. It offers 650 rooms and is open 24/7. The hotel provides amenities such as internet access, air conditioning, and allows smoking. Payment options include cash, Visa, MasterCard, debit, and intersection between Joseph Campbell Avenue and
How can I get there?
Waiting for a response. From your current location at the intersection of Joseph Campbell Avenue and East Robinwood Street, head south on Joseph Campbell Avenue for about 0.2 kilometers. Your next destination is the intersection with East Gricksdale Avenue. Joseph Campbell Avenue. T intersection between Joseph Campbell Avenue and East Hilldale Street. Joseph Campbell Avenue. East Gricksdale Avenue. Intersection between Joseph Campbell Avenue and East Gricksdale Avenue.
What's the next step?
An error occurred in obtaining a response. Please try again. Waiting for a response. Waiting for a response. Intersection between
What's the next step?
Now that you are at the intersection of Joseph Campbell Avenue and East Gricksdale Avenue, turn left onto East Gricksdale Avenue. Continue for about 84 meters. Your next destination is the intersection with Mitchell Street. East Gricksdale Avenue. Intersection between East Gricksdale Avenue and Brinker Avenue. Intersection between East Brinker Avenue.
What now?
Waiting for a from your current position on Brinker Avenue, head north for about 41 meters. Your next destination is the intersection with East Gricksdale Avenue. Intersection between East Gricksdale Avenue and Brinker Avenue. Intersection between East Gricksdale Avenue and Brinker Avenue.
What's the next step?
Now that you are at the intersection of East Gricksdale Avenue and Brinker Avenue, turn right onto East Gricksdale Avenue. Continue for about 0.2 kilometers. Your next destination is the intersection with Mitchell Street. East Gricksdale Avenue. Intersection between Joseph Campbell Avenue and East Gricksdale Avenue. East Gricksdale Avenue. Intersection between East Gricksdale Avenue and Mitchell Avenue.
This one?
Now that you are at the intersection of East Gricksdale Avenue and Mitchell Avenue, turn right onto Mitchell Street. Continue for about 82 meters. Your destination, Hotel Plaza, will be on the right. Mitchell Avenue, up, Hotel Plaza.